Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Notes and Baby. If you are a newbie, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed, I suggest you subscribe. What are you waiting for? Because in this channel, we what? We read, we explore, and we learn. And that's where the books, travel, eco lifestyle tip comes in. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how I turned my wedding bouquet into beautiful home decor. So today I'm going to give in an eco lifestyle tip. And that's why I'm in my kitchen because it's a home tip, it's a home tutorial. And when I bought my bouquet, my wedding bouquet, it was cheap and affordable, and I decided I didn't want to toss it. So I did this very awesome tip. I didn't even buy a vase. All I had to do was just use what I had at home or the things that were available to me. And you can too. It was cheap, it was affordable, and that was it. And that really is what eco lifestyle is. Apart from just being environmentally friendly, it's also living smart. That is also trying to reduce cost where you should. So I'm going to share this tutorial and I suggest you try it at home, and also don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you.
The first thing you need for this tutorial are your flowers, your artificial flowers, or your wedding bouquet if you still have yours. The next on the list is glass containers. I used wine bottles and coffee jars and buttons to decorate too. Next, you're going to section your flowers. I section mine into three. You can section yours to how many you're using for your decor. Next, you're going to insert your section flowers into your glass containers. In this tutorial, I used two different types of containers, glass containers. I used wine bottles and I used a coffee jar. Now, the wine bottles, as you can see, one is colored and one is transparent. You can see through it. So for the buttons, which I had already slotted into the glass containers, if you do not have buttons, you can insert beach sand, you can put in beach sand, or you can use colored paper. And if you don't have colored paper, it is fine. You could just leave it bare, like this green one right here, which is actually my favorite. You can leave it bare and it will still give that nice look. Like glass containers really look really nice. They have so many beautiful purposes. All you have to do is just take up people's wine bottles or use containers and use them up in your home instead of buying new containers. Just take up people's old containers and use them in your home. So as you can see, we have finished decorating, or more like we finished slotting in the flowers into the containers. And there you have it. Look at them. So pretty. Yeah. So two with buttons in them and one plain wine bottle. So pretty. So I'm going to show you where I put these beauties in my home because I'm not going to put them in one space. So the first place was the kitchen. As you can see, it just looks so cute right here and it blends with the color scheme. The color scheme is actually green, so it just adds its own pizzazz to it. The next place I put the second jar is my dining room space, and you can see the smallest jar is sitting pretty with my vintage electric kettle. Yeah, and then the next one stays by my bedside. Isn't that cute? And blends well too. So that's it. That's the end of this
So
tutorial.
yes, with glass bottles, with artificial bouquet or artificial flowers and buttons. I use buttons because that was what was available to me. But whatever is available to you, you can use it and decorate your home. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.